Hey everyone! Struggling with dull, blurry images or unwanted objects ruining your photos? Say goodbye to manual edits and hello to SnapEdit, the AI-powered photo editor that transforms your visuals in seconds. Perfect for content creators, photographers, and businesses, SnapEdit sharpens images, removes distractions, and replaces backgrounds effortlessly. Whether you're creating social media posts, product images, or personal photos, SnapEdit makes editing fast, easy, and professional. Ready to upgrade your photo game? Let's dive into the SnapEdit lifetime deal and discover how it can change the way you edit. What is SnapEdit? SnapEdit is like having a magic wand for your photos. It's an AI-powered photo editor packed with everything you need to turn your dull, blurry pictures into professional quality images that wow your audience. With SnapEdit, you can sharpen blurry photos to improve resolution and quality. Remove unwanted objects or text from any image. Replace boring backgrounds with stunning ones. Batch process multiple images for consistency and time savings. Trust me, once you try SnapEdit, you'll wonder how you ever managed without it. Last chance for lifetime access, special offer on AppSumo. Let's talk about the lifetime deal. This is your chance to grab SnapEdit at an incredible discount, exclusively on AppSumo. Here's the breakdown of the plans available. License Tier 1, price $39, valued at $96. Features 2,500 credits per month, object removal, background replacement, no watermark, and more. License Tier 2, price $99, valued at $240. Features 7,500 credits per month plus 500 bonus batch processing credits. License Tier 3, price $199, valued at $480. Features 20,000 credits per month plus 1,500 bonus batch processing credits. License Tier 4, price $299, valued at $720. Features 40,000 credits per month plus 3,000 bonus batch processing credits. And don't forget, you get a 60-day money-back guarantee, so you can try it out risk-free. 6 most important features that make SnapEdit special. AI image enhancement. Turn blurry, dull images into crystal clear, high-resolution masterpieces with the power of AI. Object removal. SnapEdit's AI detects unwanted objects, people, or text in your photos and removes them in seconds. Background replacement. Elevate your product images or social media posts by swapping out boring backgrounds with over 1,000 templates or upload your own. Batch processing. From removing backgrounds to compressing and resizing images, SnapEdit makes bulk editing a breeze. Customizable features. Add text, shadows, or watermarks, and resize images to fit any platform. Mobile-friendly. SnapEdit is available on iOS and Android, so you can edit anywhere, anytime. People who can benefit from SnapEdit. Content creators, photographers, graphic designers, small business owners, e-commerce sellers, marketers, bloggers. Does this sound like you or someone you know? If so, SnapEdit is exactly what you need. Enjoy a bonus 10% off on AppSumo today. Here's a little extra spice for you. You can grab an additional 10% off your SnapEdit lifetime deal on AppSumo. How to get the extra discount? Visit the SnapEdit lifetime deal page on AppSumo. Look out for the pop-up bar offering the discount. Enter a valid email address. Check your email for the promo code and apply it at checkout. Reviews that SnapEdit lifetime deal on AppSumo gets. Are you still waiting? Don't miss out. Transform your photo editing process with SnapEdit and grab the lifetime deal before it's too late. Check the link in the description, explore the features, and secure your deal today. If you found this video helpful and want more tech reviews and tutorials, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Let's make your photo editing journey smoother, smarter, and more fun. SnapEdit lifetime deal, don't miss it.